everybody, it's Harvard lawyer Lee, and today we just have to call out Howard Stern. Normally he's great, love him in American Idol, but today he just really got it wrong. He called Johnny Depp a narcissist, and for a reason that just was not fair. Johnny Depp, pretty much you know this unless you're under a rock, is currently in a defamation trial against Amber Heard. Here's what Stern said about Johnny Depp. He was talking about Johnny Depp being willing to allow the trial to be broadcast on court TV and then fed to other media outlets. Stern said the reason he wanted that on, he wanted it televised because that's what narcissists do. They think they can talk their way out of anything. I think Johnny Depp is a huge narcissist, and what I mean by that is he figured, I'll put this on TV, and because I'm so persuasive and because I'm so smart, I'm such a wonderful guy. I want to set the record straight. What Stern said is just completely unfair, and for these three reasons. The first is Johnny Depp hardly had to ask TV channels to come in and cover the trial. The TV channels were beating down the door of the courthouse to get in on that action. In fact, the court believed it would be so disruptive to have so many TV channels in that she entered a pool camera order. The pool camera order lets just one media outlet have video in the courtroom, and that's Court TV. They're in charge of who gets to do what. The price of admission was that Court TV had to agree the feed would be provided to the public. Now, the second reason I think Howard Stern is wrong is that court proceedings are public. They are not private except under unusual circumstances. In fact, before a court can bar a courtroom, the court, in Virginia at least, has to give the public advance notice, and the party that wants the access closed bears the burden of proving that that's how it ought to be. The court even has to place the findings of why it's denying access on the record for everybody to see. So it's completely unfair to accuse Johnny Depp of being a narcissist because he did not oppose public access. And let's face it, the primary reason that Johnny Depp wanted the trial public was because, as he said, he wants his reputation back. He figured if people knew the facts as he believed they were, he'd be better off. He was publicly defamed, and he figured only being publicly vindicated would change that. So people heard about his being a wife beater for months or years. How effective would it be to have just a few articles saying Depp wins defamation case? Now, was Johnny right to think that? Some of the testimony about drugs and the fights with Amber, some of the text messages have been pretty brutal. They definitely have not improved Johnny's reputation in the family entertainment area. But when you see the publicity this trial has generated and the legions of fans who are out in support of Johnny, and what I perceive as pretty broad spread public opinion favoring him, you have to conclude he may have been right in that choice. He took his one chance. That's not being a narcissist. So thank you for listening. Please like and subscribe to the video. You really want to subscribe with the notifications on because this is an important, crucial part of the trial and you want to be kept up to date. I'll see you in the next video.